catching fish in a barrel. Well, maybe we'll call this training. Where is it, Coco?
There's a fish in there. Just trying to find it.
Get your scuba gear. This is Hershey, Coco, catching fish in the tank.
It's right there. It's right there.
Get a Goob.
It's right here. Let's get it, Coco. Get it. Oh! It's coming. You got it.
You see something, Hershey? Oh, Hershey has something.
He feels something.
Feel something go by you, Goob. Keep your eyes out. This is a bluegill that's in the tank. It goes out. It ain't over there, Coco, that's for sure. Fish don't fly. Coco, not over there. You're just going to break my plant. Come on, Coco, no. I think he might have busted that up.
Get it, Coco. Get it. It's in there. Get it, Coco. Get it. In there. Get it. Get it, Coco. Get it. Get it in there. Get it. Get it, Coco. He's having trouble getting it in.
Yeah, he does. He's got a little...
Get it, Coco. Get it. Get it, Coco. Get it. Get it.
Come on, Coco. Get in there, buddy. There you go. Alrighty.
It's right there. Hershey almost got it. Oh, she scraped it.
Did
It's
she?
over there. Yeah.
They love to fish. Fishing dogs. Coco's got that tail wagging.
Oh, it came up. It's cut. Hershey almost got it. It's right there. Yeah, Coco, get it. Get it, Coco. Coco, get it. Get over there. Get over there. Get over there. Get over there. Oh, Hershey almost got it.
Oh, there it is, Hershey.
Oh, Hershey almost got it. Sorry, Coco. Right there, down there.
No, this is rainwater.
It's over there.
Well, the reel is completely shredded.
Oh no.
I jerked. The
Yeah.
reel came apart.